Hello guys, and welcome back to another Fat G's video. I hope everybody's doing wonderful and safe. In today's video is going to be like a part 2. We're going to be going over the headlights. I'm going to show you guys how to use the app, and I'm going to change things up a little bit. I'm going to be doing something I've never really done, but we're going to be doing like a montage. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so to download the app, behind the Bluetooth module, you're going to have this QR code. So all you got to do is just scan it and it'll take you straight to the App Store, being Android or Apple. Or if not, you could just download it, and it's gonna be called LED lamp. I'll show you guys the app now. All right guys, so for Apple products, this is how the app looks. LED lamp. So we're gonna go ahead and bear with me and open it. All right guys, so once you open the app, you're gonna go ahead and click on the LED BLE top left corner. Once you're in, you're going to click on the 3 lines top left corner as well with the number 0 underneath. And that's how you're going to be connecting your LED headlights, the Demon Eyes. So you're gonna see it's going to pop up. You're going to click on it. Once it says successfully connected, you'll be able to change the colors. To turn it on and off, you're going to have the power button to the right corner. Once you turn it on and off, you'll be able to change the colors of the lights that you want. So you do have this wonderful color circle that you can click from. Something that I really like as well is that we also have a dimmer, so you get to control how bright you want the lights. Now the other thing that we also have is the mode, so you get to click from any of these that you could change to, you know, static red, you know, static white, depends. Whatever you want, you can click from there. Hold on, I'm just making sure I'm connected, sorry. So that's something really cool that the app features. The other thing is the brightness and the speed of the light that you want. The other thing is too is you get to custom the color of the halos and the Demon Eyes. So if you want red and blue, depending what you want, you know, the pattern of it as well. So you want it breathing, do you want it jumping? It all depends. You know, if you want it going, you know, slowly to blue and then to red, anything you want, you get to customize through the app. So that's something very, very cool. The other thing would be as well, you know, from here you get to pick, you know, the colors like I was mentioning earlier. Now the other thing I really like as well is that you get to click, you know, if you want the lights changing to your music. So let's say you're playing a certain music, the song is going to be playing to that, correction, the light's going to be playing to that song. So it does give you a list of songs and stuff like that. Now the other great feature is the microphone as well. So the microphone, you know, obviously with me talking, the lights are going to be going with the sound of my voice or whatever sound is near. So that's something really cool. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you guys now how the low beam and the high beam are. So this is gonna be regular low beam, and this is gonna be high beam. They're very bright. They don't consume any energy. That's what I love about LEDs. Now I've been driving with these lights for now about 2 to 3 weeks, and not even gonna lie, they are phenomenal. They have no flickering whatsoever. And I know a lot of aftermarket LED headlights or tail lights, anything that has to do with LEDs, especially with resistors and stuff like that, they tend to flick. These have not done that whatsoever. I haven't had any issues. They're very bright. Everybody loves them, and they give the Jeep a very aggressive look. So I'm gonna show you guys now the different colors and stuff like that the headlights can change to. All right guys, so this is how the headlight looks. There's only one bulb, you can see right here. So this is regular low beam. So this is how it looks. Let me dim it down so you guys can see how beautiful it is. Look at that. Wow, man. So that's how it looks. This is low beam. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between low beam, high beam, and I'm gonna show you guys low beam with the halos and the Demon Eyes with the high beam and low beam. So I'll show you guys that now. So this is regular low beam. So that's regular low beam. That's crazy. So this is going to be now the high beam. You can see it takes a little harder, a little more for me to focus, but it's way brighter. You guys can see. Look how bright. Mind you, that's only high beams. No fog. Oh, sorry. No fog lights. You can see right there. Just headlights, and that's only one bulb. These lights are phenomenal. Look at that. Look how bright they are. Now I'm gonna show you guys low beam and high beam with the halos and demon eyes. Obviously, you guys can tell my favorite color is blue. Yes, it is. All right, so this is the headlight. Let me focus on it. Sorry about that. With the low beam and the halo and demon eye. So those lights, those LEDs are amazing. You can see how bright they are. My camera can't even focus. Let me lower it. There you go. This is the low beam with the halos and demon eyes. And man, let me focus so you guys can see it. The Jeep looks so mean. Look at that. So beautiful. Now, that's how they look with the regular low beam. It does not affect the view. Hold on, let me adjust. There you go. It does not affect the view whatsoever. And what I like about it is that you can have them on and it still looks blue. Not like regular headlights that once you turn on the headlights, you can't see the RGB colors. Not with these. You can still see them and still have light. Hold on. It's hard to focus. These lights are bright. Now let me show you guys what the high beam. So now the high beam is on and still you can still see what color halos I'm running, which is, I love that. With my last headlights, I didn't have that. Once I put on my my lights, you couldn't see them at all. So this is a very big plus because you get to ride in style and you get to see where you're driving. So that's what this is with the high beam. Sorry, still no loss of light. So the power is distributed evenly, and these lights are very powerful. Let me lower it so you guys can see it. Look at that. So mean. That's beautiful. All right, so now I'm gonna go through the different types of colors so you guys can see. All right, guys, so with the red, you guys can see the two different colors a little bit better. So you guys already saw how the blue looks. Look, this is how the red looks. And man, look at that. Look at that. Wow. So like how I mentioned earlier, it does not touch low beam or high beam, and you get to still see what color you're driving with. So that's red. I'm gonna show you guys now a little bit different colors. All right, guys, so this is green. You can change to any color you want in the app. Look at that. So bear with me, sorry about that. Look at that, look how bright. Mind you, you can see them from like a mile away. All right, guys, so Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I want to give a big shout out to American Modified. This video wouldn't be possible without them. Everything from headlights, tail lights, fog lights, rock lights, the grill, even the hood and the door insert, everything comes from American Modified. So go check them out. Everything's going to be in the description below. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Fat Jeeps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one.